Hello, my name is Raymond Aaron, New York Times top 10 best-selling author. But this video is not about me being an author, it's about me being a publisher, in fact, your publisher. And I knew the book would be good, but it came out better than I ever expected, and that's why I gave you this Publisher's Award. A very great honor. Congratulations. Please tell your viewers your name and the title and subtitle of your book.
My name is Bội Ngọc, and my book is Piano Solo Method, a new way to learn piano within 6 weeks.
And what I love about this is she has created a way, she's invented this way to teach piano where you can actually play really good, recognizable pieces really well in just 6 weeks. Most people after 6 weeks, they're still doing little scales, and she's got her students just doing beautiful, beautiful musical pieces. I endorse your work. I love your work. I endorse you. I endorse this book, and I've given you an award. I'm just really impressed with you. Thank you so much. Tell us your name and the title of your book.
My name is Bội Ngọc. I'm Vietnamese. The name of my book is Piano Solo Method because I'm an online piano teacher and I create a new way to play piano within 6 weeks.
Really?
Yes.
I studied for years and can't play. Really? You want to know what 3 years of piano teaching got me? Here we go in a row to a birthday party. That's all I can do at 3 years.
My students can do it within 1 week. They can play a song. Yeah, in Vietnam, I have more than 2,000 students already.
Wow. Really?
Yes.
God, I wish I could play. So tell me the problem you had in your life before you got the book.
Yes. I have the idea of writing the book before I met you. But since I met you, I have the real motivation to write and to finish my book. So that's what you changed my life.
Thanks. What a sweetheart you are. Isn't she sweet? Really? And tell me, what was the easiest part of writing the book using my program?
Using your program, I don't need to spend so much time on writing. I only spend 1 month to finish writing my book because I watch your video, of course, and attend your seminar.
Wow. And tell me a miracle.
Before I had my book, my YouTube channel had 40,000 subscribers. And after I write the book, my subscriber on YouTube increased 10,000.
You went from 40,000 to 50,000 as soon as you announced you had a book?
Yes.
Wow. Very good. Now, it doesn't say you're an award-winning author. Would you like to be one?
Yes.
All right. Here you go. Good night, everybody.
The most creative piano teacher award. Thank you so much.